physical devices, physical objects, sensors, actuators, and the gateways. This is the things. These two words, internet and things, combine together to form an IoT. The definition of the IoT, what is IoT? IoT is basically physical devices, home appliances and objects. All these are connected through internet. That is called IoT. Under the internet communication connectivity. Next slide, sir. This is IoT networks. The key components of the IoT is the sensors, different types of sensors, microcontrollers. Here microcontrollers we can use Arduino, ESP32, and Raspberry Pi. All these are microcontrollers which are used for IoT applications. Communication network and cloud storage and data analytics. This is the image of the IoT networks where input-output devices, sensors, actuators, and microcontrollers, computers, all these are connected through network. Next slide, sir. Sensors. Basically, sensor is a input device which sense or detects or measures the physical parameter from the environment, from the external environment. Because we have five sensors in our body. These are human sensors. Skin, tongue. These are the skin, tongue, then eye, nose. These are the human sensors. In the same way, the especially sensor devices are designed for the systems. Basically, at a IoT robotics systems. The sensor is basically input device that senses or detects or measures physical parameters like lights, sound, temperature, pressure. All these are the parameters which the physical parameters converts the electrical energy. Basically, sensor collects the real-time data. What is real-time data? The current data. The real-time data converts into the electrical signals and sends to the processor. That signal sends to the processor or controller to process the system. Next slide. This is a block diagram of sensor in which there are four ports. This is ground. This is power supply for the sensors we are using, and this is the input and this is the output. The input signal accepts from external world and converts that signal into the output for the microcontroller or microprocessor. Next slide. Types of sensors. Basically, there are different types of sensor are there. Basically, two types: analog sensor and digital sensors. Analog sensor basically accept the input from the external environment and gives the output in analog form, that is voltage or current. Digital sensor basically converts the input signal from the external environment and converts the output in digital form, that is 1 or 0. There are so many digital sensor, analog sensor images are there. Mr. IR sensor basically infrared sensor, gas sensor, smoke sensor, PIR sensor. PIR sensor basically used for human detection, basically obstacle detection. Then humidity sensor. Humidity sensor basically in a room or external environment. Humidity sensing purpose, we can use the humidity sensor. Touch sensor, which is already used in we have seen in microphones. Solar cell, metal detector, real time cross sensor. Real time cross sensor basically gives the real time for the microcontroller, for the system. Next slide, sir. After sensors, the second thing is that actuators. Actuators is nothing but a output device. This is a block diagram of actuators. The energy, basically actuators converts the input energy to the action to the output. This control signal basically comes from the microcontroller.